How to add money to PayPal. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can add money to PayPal. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to either log in via PayPal application or paypal.com through a browser to your account. So once you are logged in, you have to head over to three-line icon at the top left, head over to wallet. And if you haven't linked any of your card, make sure to link a card. Tap on link a card button, then you have to enter your bank or your card details. So enter your card details and follow the on-screen instructions. Once done, tap on link a card. So once you have added your card, after that you could add money to your PayPal. Now, under your wallet section, you will have an option to add a money. So tap on add money button. Then you have to select the bank account. After that, enter your amount, then tap on add or next. After that, you have to confirm the transaction. Then you have to wait for funds to arrive. Bank transfer usually take 3 to 5 business days, and after that you will also get a notification once your funds are added. So in this way, you could add money to your PayPal. That's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.